Pull up a stool, mate. Grab a cold one. This is Gearhead Garage, where we resurrect legends that reek of rust and pure redemption. Knee-deep in Hackney mud last spring, my mate drags me out at 3 a.m, found a fortress, and there they were. The baby Benz rebels from 82, agile
Black
fury
cab
and a...
tanks, all battle-scarred and whispering secrets that'll make your throttle foot twitch. Stick around, 'cause the one twist at the end? It's gonna rewrite everything you thought you knew about why these babies are exploding on TikTok right now. Man, pull up a stool, grab a cold one if you're driving shotgun in your head. This is Gearhead Garage, where we don't polish turds. We resurrect legends that smell like rust and redemption. Picture this, I'm knee-deep in Hackney mud last spring, that gritty East London spot where old cabs go to die heroes. My mate calls me at 3 a.m, "Oi, get here." Found a fortress. And there they are, 8 W201s. The baby Benz, they called it back in 82 when it dropped like a stealth bomber into the luxury game. Not your grandma's grocery getter, these were the rebels, the ones that said, "Screw this class bloat, give me agile fury." First one's 84 190E 2.3 barn fresh with that boxy charm, paint flaking like old war medals. I fire her up and holy hell that inline 4 hums like a lullaby from hell smooth as silk, but punchy enough to pin you back on the A10 at dawn. We scored the lot for peanuts, 15 grand total, 'cause the owner's aunt thought they were just taxes? Taxes? These are black cab forts on steroids built to shrug off potholes like insults, with that independent suspension that dances through corners like it's flirting. No airbags back then, but who needs men when the steel feels immortal? We drag em to the shop, me and the lads, tools clinking like beer bottles at a wake. Strip the barn grime, and secrets spill out. Hidden rust-proofing hacks from the factory, those W201 whispers about over-engineered diffs that laugh at wheel spin. One's got the rare 16-valve Heart 2.3 liters of turbo Ts, hitting 60 and under 8 if you feed it right. We re-talking features that feel alive, the pop-up headlights winking like they re-in on the joke, that walnut wheel gripping your palms like a promise. But the real magic? Hackney-style resto-no showroom shine, just raw soul. We weld patches like scars on a boxer's knuckles, tune the carbs till they purr gospel. Cost us a fortune in elbow grease, but each one's reborn for under 5. K-Street price now? Doubling easy as these virals hit Insta, suspense builds on the test run. Third gear, fog rolling in, and bomb this 86 diesel variant corners like it's got eyes in the grill. Subtle humor in the quirks, to the door cards rattling like they're gossiping about Dieter Zetch's bad hair day. Emotion hits hard when the sun cracks through. One Benz, faded Union Jack sticker on the dash. Belonged to a cabbie who drove through the Blitz echoes. Makes you grip tighter, doesn't it? These aren't cars. They're time capsules with horsepower and the viral fire. Clips of us hauling out millions of views, gearheads worldwide begging for the blueprint. Why? 'Cause in a world of soulless EVs, the W201's that gritty hug you didn't know you craved affordable immortality if you hunt the barns. But here's the gut punch I saved. That 8th one? Not a 190, it's the lost prototype. 81 pre-production, smuggled from Stuttgart. Undocumented, untouched, worth a small fortune, but we're keeping her. Makes you wonder, what's rusting in your backyard, waiting to roar back? Hit the comments. What's your holy grail barn find? Let's talk ghosts. See you on the blacktop.